Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to file sales tax in Ohio. Gather your Ohio vendor license and sales tax account number, then log into the Ohio Business Gateway. Verify your reporting period and collect sales records, exempt sales, and resale certificates. Double-check tax rates by jurisdiction and prepare supporting schedules. Keep payments ready and note due dates to avoid penalties. I will guide you through each screen and common pitfalls clearly and calmly. Prepare your Ohio sales tax return by confirming the filing frequency and reporting period assigned to your account. Compile gross sales, taxable sales, and exempt sales, and separate local taxes by jurisdiction. Apply any allowable credits or adjustments and calculate the net tax due. Reconcile totals to your bookkeeping and ensure resale certificates are organized. This preparation speeds up filing and reduces errors when you submit through the gateway. Quick recommendation: if you need a companion for long filing sessions, try the Owala water bottle for easy sipping at your desk and on the go. It fits cup holders, keeps drinks cold, and has a leak-proof lid that makes forms and laptops less risky. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you file, log into the Ohio Business Gateway and select the correct return type, then enter taxable amounts by jurisdiction. Verify calculations and attach any required schedules or explanations. Choose a payment method like ACH debit or electronic check and schedule payment on the due date. Save or print the confirmation number and a copy of the filed return. If you correct an error later, file an amended return promptly to minimize penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.